Mhlaba njengoba sika ku-super sport abadala isefile
Fana le movie
ngicela
leya.
ningawaligi lama-video cause akangicoshise esipanini.
Bani izinto zakudala manje senze njani?
And lo
Angabi
muntu
ashamed of ipast yakho mfana. Dala umshayi wezinqa mfana.
dala izenzela intwana. Upalisa lo mntwana lo.
Abana
Ngibona mfana.
buya uzongifaka enjalo simande mfana. Hayi imali etshwala bami bathi
Mfana mara
izongena after 6
kuyabanda
months.
lapho mfana. Yakena la mfana yo
Shisa
shise into.
flag.
Kuyashisa?
Mfana 40 degrees manje.
Kanti bakuyisama
Yabanda.
kusisama umhlaba wonke.
Hayi wena mani.
Umuntu kumele work hard yo.
El Prosper. Wena revolver side.
Ala ngiphithi mina manzi into.
Ufisa.
Right. Kwamanzi into. Kwamanzi into.
Ngibonile usibona i-status sakhe.
Uthini?
Abeke le video leya yacuba shayi amanzi inte yakhona.
Kwamanzi into. Yangibulala lele.
Yeah, izinto ezilala 1-1.
Kanti ukwenzakalani?
Baloku bathi yale kancane.
Lo watsondela le.
Baloku bathi sondela le.
Ngiyabanda awufaka isandla lapho awungivale ngesandla ngiyabanda.
Baloku bathi ungadonsi yonke ingubo phela.
Eish.
IQ kwabani cause wena ngilazi kahle iroom lakho ujama isilingi angeke.
Ngwami awuthami.
Hayi. Yaqaphi iroom laka IQ page ngathi lama 16 bars aseDurban lawo nama disco.
Hayi mfana.
Uyaqaba?
Ngitshela ngathi mina la ngikhona ngibona.
Angisho le isukile nodawazi kanti isukile la behlala khona sehlala kwenye
Okwenye apartment.
Ngathi zonke ziyatshelana ukuthi masuka la siya la ngoba noyangizibeka ngale weza ngapha naye uye ngale weza ngapha kwenzakala
Kwenzakala next ama hit song bitch.
tshela
Hlabona wenze jwang. Ama hit
Yena
song.
yena.
Aba vente moma nama nakeka.
That's why I not live well night of it. These days I'm servant. They eat robo tsorane. No was enjoy. Wow. Ayena network
Kuyazwakala no.
Sure.
Ish. Yo kunini requestile.
Moya Luisa.
Ngilwise.
Manje kwenzakala.
Itsimbu vele fe. Ish.
Tell me, yes Luisa.
Hawu.
Sibambe sikufakile mos.
Ish.
How pastor?
Kambani my friends.
Mnandi. Uncle Pedi.
Mnandi.
Yenzakalani?
Ubani handle yakho?
Uncle Pedi.
School.
Revolver.
Uncle Pedi. Empumlweni Pedi.
Funa ngifake va la.
Pedi maricici lihlale indlebeni ke. Phela mangathi uyibhedi.
Isitayela sakudala leso.
Sengena empumlweni.
Yeah,
Mina ngathi nizobayela bobaba laba enikhile emnyango.
Thukile.
Mara IQ.
wena.
Ikhale sakhe isicathulo leso sicathulo bekicici la. Amen. So khala endlini erumini lakho hayi kwahabi.
Afile shebe toba 2K.
Wait, who's Shaba here? Shaba is me. Me is Shaba. Me Shaba. Shaba me.
Come on, Ushela.
Yeah, the one who's handsome is Shaba. Come on now, jump
None. Should have been an upcoming MC and vocalist trying to build myself up.
Being upcoming, that's my advice.
Stop being
upcoming, that's my advice. Stop
Shokanje.
it. Yeah. You know why? Because
Yeah.
whatever you're gonna say, whatever you're gonna do, it will sound upcoming.
Ish. Fira nyakuzwa.
Exactly. Just say I love Shaba, guys. Yo, namnyaktanda yoli. Upcoming MC kubeka nje laba bafazi bethu mfana ngeke ulongo usaphiya samacici.
Man. Ish.
Pesa amacici.
Ringa nje
Pesa
mthetshela
amacici.
thina.
Ngitshelele mfethu.
No impela busacoca.
Yeah.
Yini
Bengithi mfethu
njamana
ngisazama
kwenza
yabo.
sona. Ufuna ukuba brand ambassador yeZambia. Ufuna yini nje?
Since izibunya ama-lips sinjayami.
Bethendo siyamajida iyazi ngithi maybe akhona uzochameka hayi. Uploma about
Hayi
yami
bafethu.
ngicocise ke. Uploma va.
Hayi intwana sedleni mfethu.
Project
Yeah. Soweto.
kunale ndaba athi subs kawash ne.
Yeah.
Ngiyayibona igane
Shaba iliphi ikasi ongalazi ndoda. Ngikhathaza nawe.
EQ ayinawo wazi abo Turkey, abo Nigeria, abo England. Nathi sazi lezi abo subs kawash, Mapule's kitchen. Uyayithola. So ikasi la kaMphoma kuwa ne.
Yeah.
Yamazi uMphoma kuwa.
Hayi. Cha.
Mari label lakhe yalazi. Escort, God I mean.
Yeah, ngiyacava esigodi, yeah.
Umuntu oshaya le brand walapha ikasi la kweTlena.
So North.
Ikasi ngazi ukuthi ekibo kuseTlena.
Yeah.
But
Ngiyakuzwa.
extension bani nje mawu ngathi khona ufuna ukurequesta.
It's fair. Ngisichanga ukurequest hayi. Off.
Abathola uzorequest uthi uzozirequestela wena ngaya-address.
Ndo nithi
Uzoza.
sharp kanti anamali yokubhata. Umntwana wabantu ufuna ukuziletha.
Hayi. Oh. Yeah, like abantwana laba laba.
Bakenze yini mfethu? Bakhetha ungaka charge na 1000 nyana so bakhethile.
Khawathi.
Ngakayenzini?
Awuka charge ne 1k mfethu so sebakhethile already.
What if ngiyacharge 1k? Unganyatsa abantu sha.
Sikunyathi nje mite grand if uchacha 1k mite grand.
Ah.
So
Ngiqale
sithi upcoming
samanje.
vocalist awusitulele something mfethu somandla uzuyigcina impilo yami seyicubeka.
Ayishaba.
Awusitulele ke.
Ngingiculele. Nganizwisa staff ile mara ay. Ayinkinga abantu balena ngalesikhathi.
Senda kulele, senda kuma-DM nje. Ngisizoyiceda ungawari.
Ngafika.
Danko.
Akuna floor.
No flop nje. Ulale grand ne.
Ngizolala grand. Danko.
Sure. Sure.
Abo schoolboy Q. Yeah, I should finish Shaba. Shaba, I'm not great. But accept my request lapho kuno Yoli. Uyelo. Yoli. Ayinsa Yoli. Yayongabali. Khona bazophapha mayithe kungena intombazane babheke.
Wipe up my camera. Hello.
Hey, hi, how are you? Ngicela nithuleni guys, babulisa mina ngithi. Unjani Suret?
No, wait, I know this one.
Which one?
Hello.
Describe one. Wait, who did blue?
No, not the one with the hoodie. The other one.
Oh, lone ntombazane manje erumini lakhe.
No, it doesn't matter if he is with a girl, but like I know him. I know him through Big Soul, Rustenburg.
Obani?
Big Soul.
Big Soul.
Do you know Big Soul?
No.
Yeah.
From Rustenburg, no, I don't.
No, Loyana Oyphezulu.
Man.
He knows Big Soul, right?
Yeah,
No,
my mate.
ukhuluma ngami or ukhuluma ngalona ntombazane erumini.
ukhuluma ngalo ntombazane erumini ndoda.
Oh.
No, the other guy. I don't know who has a girl, but whoever. But like the one on Gana hoodie a blue. Akiri, there's the one with the blue hoodie, and then the one with not with the white or the cream white thingy.
Yeah.
Yes, he's friends
Then
with my friend,
the one
and
with
then
the
he's.
Nike Pumba jacket that worth 5,000 rand. You can continue.
It's okay.
Yeah, no. Ngachubeka man.
Yeah, but so I know that guy,
Mm.
the one on top.
Okay, let me just give you his name. Call him Chwalabam. Chwalabam.
Ubani utshwala bamlana.
Uye lo that you know, the one that you know through Big Show.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so Chubeka ma'am.
How are you guys?
Ngikhalela ukuba ile chocolate.
Ngikudle. Ufuna ngikudle?
Ngikudle.
Come here, let me fuck you up.
Awu.
I'm kidding.
Mama, thina week. Ma uqala nje wathi come seyama lento iba stretch tent. So ningadlali ngento ezikanje.
Never again.
Oh.
So what's your name?
Yolisa.
Where you from, Yolisa?
I'm from Eastern Cape and Rustenburg.
So where you at now?
Joburg.
Where in Joburg?
Waterfall.
Waterfall.
Hayi bo, awusalali wena.
Yebo, awubona mina ngihloma kanjani? Ngiphethe into zami. Ngibona.
Hawu. Sanikwazi waterfall. Yeah,
Waterfall.
Wait,
nama.
the guy with the cream white something. Waist Forbes.
Nangithi nje maybe Alex akithi.
That's my brother. Do you know that?
I wouldn't know. I'm just saying. You can't say
Where
you know that.
waterfall wenzani?
Huh?
What are you doing in waterfall?
The outing.
Oh.
This is betting.
Yabo.
Ukwabani waterfall?
Ndinqenqile kwam.
Yeah. Ndinqamile kwam. Oh my God.
No, ndinqenqile kwam.
Yini ncinile?
It means that I'm relaxing in my bed. In my
Your
own
bed.
bed.
Yeah.
Yo. Oh, yo.
I'm closer, guys.
Okay, but kwakho waterfall.
Kwam. Yebo, kwam.
Sudlala ngathi sibadala kade yake.
Hayibo sozakala
Yeah,
ngabe ngiqhunywe yintoni bandilale ngani?
Ungakhuluma isiXhosa sikuzwa.
Hayibo, I'm
Shaya.
closer. What must I speak?
Mara sikuzwa.
English.
What makes you guys think that I can hear you when you guys speak Zulu?
Okay.
Oh.
Asikhulumi language yaloye kuye. Where you urge, my love?
No, a re bueng Setswana ge.
Okay.
Yes.
O etsa mo.
Ke dutse mo ke dulang mo teng.
Marile o tswa Eastern Cape le go Rustenburg.
No, that's home. No, that's home.
So hlale waterfall hlala nobani?
Ndedwa. Ufuna ukundichakela?
Ngifuna ukwenzani?
Ufuna ukundichakela na?
Hayi, ndiyabasaba abo bahlala bodwa.
Ndiza kuphekela umleqwa
Yini manje lele?
nesonka sana.
nangu uZile uyakufuna uthi uzokuvakashela.
Who that?
uZile awazi uZile?
No.
Man, awazi uZile, the first guy washawa nge-blow job eLimpopo awumazi. Nina nazi abantu nina awazi
I
uZile?
don't know.
Akazi umuntu mfethu Kenny.
Ke tseba Big Soul, ke tseba Forbes, ke tseba yeah, those.
Mara mosungene la kule live watch who's Shaba. I love Shaba. So
No, I like you because I know you from like Instagram and your Instagram posts.
okay.
I didn't know your face. I didn't know how you looked like.
I look like your type, but
Yes, cook. Let him cook. Let him cook. Let him cook.
Nguba no choyo uba
Let
uyi-type yami.
him cook.
oh
Cook
ngiyasho
Shaba.
ukuthi I look like your type.
Nguba no uxokeleyo uba uyi-type yami. Ngubani
No,
oqhathileyo? Who's that?
sendiyatsho
Phela, phela, phela.
sendiyatsho.
Oh no, there's nothing that you can see here.
No, I wasn't expecting to see.
Uyaxoka.
So khawungixelele ngabe unaye umuntu? Okay.
Ufuna ukundithatha?
Wow.
Because
So
Ubawo doesn't look like he wants to marry me. So did you want to do something like that?
yeah, mina ngakupha le angakuphi yona enough.
Yileyo.
Le
What's that?
angakuphi yona enough. So uzofigure out ukuthi yini le ubona ngathi akekho enough man.
I don't swear, but can I swear?
Yeah.
Can I swear? Do you guys give me permission to swear?
Baby, khuluma nanoma yini sikumamele.
Will tell that you're gonna give me what he doesn't give me, ne?
Enough.
So enough. Meaning ukuba. No, I can't do it.
Yini angakuphi yona enough? Usitshele mama.
Nothing.
Usho?
I'm sure.
I-30 milk leyo reproglax.
Undiqhela kakubi shamiyazi. Uyandiqhela. I don't wanna lie. Sisters.
Oh, I-30 milk. So, awufuni ngikuphi isibhamu somdoko? Yebo, yebo.
What's that?
Isibhamu somdoko.
What is that?
Yebo. Asazi isibhamu somdoko mama? Eish. Yabona kuningi wena mina nawe kumele sifundisane kona.
Huh?
Nithi kuningi kumele sifundisane kona mina nawe.
So fundisana ini? Mina ngizokufundisa ukubhebha wena uzongifundisana.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Uthe uzongifundisani uthe uzongifundisani?
I'm asking you, what do you say you're gonna teach me?
Wena uthi uzongifundisani?
Wena uzongifundisani?
Kuningi. Kuningi.
Oh, okay. Nami kuningi.
So fundisana ne?
I hope akunama 2000 la kum-live yakho.
Balele mama bayangena kusasa esikolweni.
Because I'm so old for ama 2000.
Mara ngobe ngiyilo.
Awuthi urata nthwela, ke ratang wena.
Twela di fan mama focus kona. Ngathi siyafika la kumele
I'm
sekhona.
giving Tyrese.
Do you know Tyrese?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you've been watching these live videos. Okay, sharp yeah. asibuyele la besikhona. So uthi uzoza sikhathi bani?
Dizaphi?
Oh, kwanje.
Ngithanda lo bhodi lo thuleyo.
Mayiphele le live. Inki uqeda le live. Ucupha lo muntu. Makaphume.
Why mele ngiphume? Because why?
Wathanda usoli 2000 lo muntu lo.
And then when only 90 bani.
Mina ngi 2000. La kayazi ne World
Hayibo.
Cup.
Ndimdala kuwe mos.
Umncane kusoli.
Kuzawuthi ndiyakudlengula sana. Uyayiqonda loo nto?
Udlengulani?
Kuzawuthi ndidlengula wena. Uyayiqonda?
Awazi. Mama. When
Are you tipsy, Oli? No, guys, I'm not tipsy. I am fucking drunk.
Yazame ukuza mfethu seyiceda kahle.
Ngeke ngizame ukuza ikhona.
Yeah. Oh, ngiphini location?
No, you cannot pin my location, bro.
Ngisho nukai location yami.
No, you cannot do that.
But I'm not far away. Hey, I'm just right here in Blue Valley.
Where are you?
In Blue Valley.
Where is that?
State.
Very.
No.
Okay. Location yakho.
Shaba mamela bathi thula kuza.
Ngizwile makazama usona.
Who's that? Who is so?
The one that you combat and say you love.
No, I didn't say I love him. I said he's good looking. That's what I said.
So definitely.
Helise is looking at us like this. Of course, it's at night. What are you thinking? Are you
okay,
crazy?
Mama, ipu mangisha mina at least ipu soul ke kube noyone uzoshaya.
Whose voice is that?
Yeah, miyawizwanga. I can repeat.
Repeat.
Come on. Why are you doing like this now? So now you're laughing.
No, it's you, the one with the blue thingy. The one with the blue thingy. It's your voice, right?
I'm not even speaking. It's Shaba. It's not mine.
Hey, boy, they taking credit for you with your voice.
No, he also think he can speak like me. In the Mandra actor.
Ha.
Yeah, woo. Mina ngiphokomelon. Uzulu thing.
Hey, boy. Okay.
He said I'm a cocomelon, so
no, I did not say
not
that. I literally did not say that.
Shaba said so, not you.
Kanti lama ceiling wase Cliffontein use Blue Vale or use Waterfall or kuphi kahle kahle. Lama ceiling yana lawa semayibuye.
I'm in Rustenburg at the moment.
Oh lolo.
I'm home in Rustenburg.
You said you at Midrand at your own place.
No, I said I stay there, but I am home.
Surat angali matric nyenze hambu zobuya secondary. Mara.
When Shaba, your voice doesn't look like you. Doesn't sound like it's you that's speaking.
I know I'm too beautiful for my voice, but
Nyan.
Maria.
Yoli, why also Arabi, my girl? What did I say, my chummy? What did I say, baby? Guys, what did I say?
How old are you, mama?
I'm 26.
I'm so bhekane nabo stroke, sugar diabetes. Somdala wena.
Yo.
I can see 2K. I'm really old.
Kwenza ngathi kuba yi-2K ibhadi.
No, it's not. Actually, it's not. I wish I was a 2K. I wish I was a 2K.
Kanti una 26 we-98.
Ngiqede i-matric yami nge-2016. I completed my matric in 2016.
We completed draw, me and you.
Really? She stays
So what
in
do you do
Alex.
for a living?
No, apparently they said that I stay in Alex. Hi, Bo. Where in Alex, guys? I don't even know Alex. Guys, the only place that I know in Alex is River Park. That restaurant where they sell food. That's the only place. Nagiti. Okay, that's okay. If I stay in Alex, that's okay. I mean, Alex, guys, yindao, hey?
So, Angel, what do you do for a living, ma'am?
I'm living and breathing.
Like, a business, say, pusher or selling.
No, I'm at school, my love.
Nah, but your side has it, right?
No.
Selling.
I'm at school. I'm just at school.
Sharp, mara. Selling. Like,
no, kikena skolo. That's what I'm doing. But
ngama weekend selling.
Selling what?
No, I think was business like when like
no, I'm not
selling something.
doing anything. I'm just in school. I'm not doing anything for a living. I'm just in school.
But then selling like.
So what are you studying? I'm trying to understand. What are you studying?
For 8 years, yo.
I know what you at school can do in the reception.
No, guys, listen. Guys, wait, listen.
What are you studying? Simple question.
Guys. Apparently,
Simple question. What are you studying?
I'm gonna answer that. Wait, I just wanna answer this. Somebody said that I was at Cosmo. Where is Cosmo?
What are you studying?
I'm studying
law.
Cosmo teaches next to Waterfall Corner. If you're from Waterfall, you'll know Cosmo.
It's not in Waterfall Corner. It's like in Deep Sloot.
Oh, ngobe ayazi hi. What are you selling? I mean, what are you studying?
I am studying law, commercial law, which is economics in law. That's what I'm studying.
How many years does it take?
I am done. This is my last year.
So
8 years, Baba.
No, it was 3 years. What do you guys mean? It was 3 years.
So what have you been doing since
2017, 18, 19, 20?
I was just chilling and living life.
Oh, 5 years, okay.
Yeah, I was just chilling and living life, and this is my last year studying.
Live life like better. Business nyana selling. But you sell it.
Sell in.
You sell.
Like the apart.
I'm not from a pro background, so I'm not selling anything.
No, see, shoot yourself.
Do you drink alcohol?
You're not from a poor background, so people that are selling are from poor backgrounds.
What? No. What am I selling?
If you're do you sell or do you drink?
Oh yes, I know I do drink.
Sell.
Siyakubona uyasela.
Kabuhlungu kanjani? Even now, I was drinking before I came home.
Namanje uyasela.
Manje angiseli ngidla chocolate.
Before you came home,
before I came home, yes, I was drinking.
No, bosela. It's bengisela.
You should bosela.
That's what I'm saying.
No, again English, mama. Siphumile singisini. Ubusela na uyasela or awusela.
Ayibona ndiyasela.
So before uyele endlini bosela.
Yeah.
No, thank you, mama.
And kudala usela. Uqeda umatric ulokusela.
Andiniqondi.
Uqeda umatric, uqala nini ukusela? Mawuqeda umatric or
ndiqala usala nge-matric yami, matric dance.
Yo. So bosela na principal yo. Ay lenda bimlandi leyo kusela. So uqale nini ukusela mama?
No, guys, wait. The people here, they say that I'm selling bums. Guys, I don't sell bums. No.
Yekela ama-fan. Ngikutshelile ngathi yekela ama-fan. Let
Okay,
me
I
tell you
drink.
something.
Okay, let me say it in
Yeah,
English.
girl,
Let
it's
me.
cool. Yeah,
I
girl,
feel
it's
like if I
cool.
say it in English,
Yeah,
it's
this
gonna be
cool.
better.
You see,
I drink
Selana.
alcohol. Okay, guys, I drink alcohol.
no.
Before
Yeah,
Yes.
I
the
came
alcohol.
home.
When you drink alcohol, you get drunk. When we are
When
sailor.
you are Sela.
No, I don't
When
sell
they
it.
are
I
saying
drink
that,
alcohol.
when they are saying,
Say
when
when you are
Tundikhala kabi. I
Sela.
said no.
What's no since I Sela since
Guys,
me
I'm
tree.
only getting what you guys are asking me now. No.
Oh.
Like guys, ndiyanxila utywala, yes, but I'm not selling
serious.
We never said you are selling. Since you are Selana.
utywala.
We are Selana. Answer the question.
Utywala na.
Hey, one.
Kuselwane nje kanti.
Kuselwan kanti.
No, I'm asking. Ndisela utywala okanye ndisela ijuice okanye ndisela
Asazi.
amanzi. What am I selling?
Uyanxila.
into nje ocabanga
Ndiyanxila.
ukuyisela uyayisela na.
So,
Wait, ndiyanxila.
okay,
No, guys, I
sharp.
only
Yonke
drink
into
alcohol.
eselayo.
I'm not selling anything else.
Ngoba ubona ngathi siyakusukela ne.
I'm only getting it now. No.
Okay, sharp.
No.
Sharp. Okay ke. Since kuba ngathi siyakusukela, awungitshela une out, right?
Ayayiphika no.
I'm
Asayayiphika.
picky.
Sayamphika onedikachi ononoku.
No.
Phika da man.
Thina umphiki ungamphiki.
Awungitshela
Thina
And
aphathe
in
amanga
picky.
une out, right? I-type yakho amachita kanjani? So,
Eh?
i-type yakho ama-out kanjani?
Well, I like somebody that can stand up to their girl. Ne? Your guy or your girl doesn't have to accept outside opinions, whether it's true, whether or it's false. Ne? Akumele ukuthi abantu bafike ku-relationship yakho bazotshela umuntu akho ukuthi okay, yeah, your person is doing this, or your person said this, or your person was doing that. No.
The person is selling
The
to
person is telling me what.
Kubeka mama.
Okay, that is my opinion, ne? And then the other thing is that umuntu wakho shouldn't be friendly. Mina, I don't like a friendly guy.
Ngithanda ama-hustling boyfriend nama-abusive boyfriend.
No, you don't have to be abusive. Listen. I wasn't raised in an abusive environment, ne? But you don't have to be friendly. Like honestly, abangani bam akusi abangani bakho. Whether you speak to my friends, or you don't speak to them, honestly, to me, it doesn't mean anything. But I would really appreciate it if you don't speak to them, because at the end of the day, akusi abangani bakho, ngabangani bam.
Bridge.
You understand?
Yes.
Be friendly.
No, I do not appreciate a friendly partner. I don't appreciate it.
So ufuna lezi
Mina.
ezi-rough.
Eh?
Ufuna lezi ezi-rough.
No, you don't have to be rough, guys. I wasn't raised in a rough environment. I wasn't abusive. I mean, I wasn't abusive or abused. You understand?
Yazi mfethu, mamelo uloku uyalena leyo busy ngesilungu yasidida abafethu lo muntu mnata isho ukuthi ngifuna iNigeria.
I don't date Nigerians, by the way.
Hayi abantu uma ukhuluma ngiyazi ukuthi ama-Nigeria mosilawa njalo.
Angina reputation ama Nigeria mina. Please, let's start there.
Okay, angitshela.
Ngidibana phi nama Nigeria eRustenburg? Please.
Network.
Ngidibana nama Nigeria eRustenburg.
Mama, you still there?
I'm still here. Ngidibana phi nama Nigeria eRustenburg?
Airport. Ngizodibana.
Ikuphi airport la eRustenburg?
Rustenburg Airport.
Yeah.
P.
Rustenburg Airport.
Airport, yes, Rustenburg.
Airport.
Rustenburg.
We are killing no tata kwi airport up Rustenburg.
Yeah.
Is there an airport in Rustenburg?
Mokgaso.
Are you
Mokgwaso.
fucking crazy?
Mokgwaso.
Are you fucking crazy? Are there flights going to Durban or Cape Town there?
Yeah?
Huh?
Mama,
I'm asking.
yeka litrostrof ne ngiyacela.
I don't drink that shit, babe.
What do you
Madiyeke.
drink? Izo Mamela Show. What do you drink?
Baby girl, you are now being rude. Guys, am I being
Yeah.
rude?
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Uphuzani ke sitshele.
Uselani?
I don't drink that. I drink Savannah, I drink Hennessy, I drink champagne. That's all.
Yes.
What kind
What
of champagne?
I drink Veuve Brut only.
Yes. Tell
And
them.
then the Savannah, and then the Hennessy pen.
Tell ukuthi wena uphuza
And then
i-Veuve
my cocktails, I only drink margaritas or ocho plata.
Yes. Tell them.
Mari enga
Tell
yakho
them.
ngathi uphuza i-brutal 8 yazi.
Yo. Nenga.
No,
Ah,
I
malule
don't.
savana.
Savana. Manje namhlanje ubuselani?
Today I had champagne.
Ngitshele. Uhlale waterfall right?
Nala
Ubani
irasti megitlale waterfall.
Uhlala
So
duze
ubani ubhadalile
kwe-Mount
rent
Ewen
ngoba
Ridge.
uyi-student wena?
My mother.
Uyasela.
No.
Awukakaseli.
Awuvume ukuthi uyasela.
Me, I sell her.
Yeah.
No.
Thank
Disela
Sambamba.
utwala, not what you are asking me.
So ngitshele uthi wenza lo ufuna ukuba i-lawyer.
Yes, this is my last year.
So wena ungangirepresenta wena court.
Uhlukumeze bani?
Wena. Ngicabanga urepresenta lo. Kawenza kaloku mina nifuna ukuhamba. Hawu.
Yenza kaloku vuma mfundi lithetha uba uguilty.
For what?
Mina nifuna ukuhamba.
What is he guilty of?
Ufuna nenze njani mase kunje? Awukawenze.
Kawenze mfundini.
Khawuleza.
Thetha uba uguilty.
Nawu ndandikhona mamgwaza.
Ndingekho.
Hawu.
Momgwaza.
5 years lapho.
Ndandiziselela amagwaza khawenza ndimoshela ixesha.
Sign up. Vuma uthi guilty. Yeah, okay.
Guys, your people are so mean. Somebody said that you're like a lawyer here 3 years. Aibo, guys, are you fucking dumb or what? Don't you know that law takes 3 years now? Do your research, please.
Ile lawyer say UNISA say.
No, it's not even UNISA. Everywhere. Do your research, please.
Yeah, say I follow.
So Utenga even get NSFAS. Oh no, I don't need NSFAS, babe. I am in a private institution, so please. Come on.
You have money.
My mother has money, not me.
Okay, but like
Mina, I don't have money. Mina, I do not have money. My mother has money, not me.
Oh, on broke.
Very broke.
Bengifuna nje ungisendele 200.
If you 200, ngakusendela 200 yona nginayo, but I don't have money.
Okay, thumele ke.
Kumele ngiyideposit eqala because ngine cash. Awukholwa.
Mama,
LLB is 4 years.
Mama.
I said commercial law is 3 years. You guys must listen before you talk.
Mama. Ngisakubuza once again. Uyasela. Okay.
Awuseli. Manje ungaseli namhlanje. So wawudakiwe ke. Wawunxilile.
I'm not drunk. What do you mean?
Mama, sorry.
Why are you guys saying that I'm drunk? That's insulting.
But you said.
No, listen. I'm going to deny it because of how you guys are asking me.
So
uyasela.
makaqeda ukusela bakupha cash or
Ngiselani P?
hayi nakuya
Hawu utshwala.
sela utakiwe.
Hayi bo Nindi
Yes.
kuphela kakubi
Mara
Siyasho
ngiyacela.
ukuthi like wena musela like Spanish cash like or card like come on.
Oh guys, please, come on. I don't do that nonsense, please.
Kanti
Guys, I
hawu.
do not sell farms if that's what you're asking. I do not do that.
No, nobody said that. Khuluma ngotshwala thina.
Mm-mm.
hawu.
Ah.
Wanhlezi ngicabanga into zokunyobana
Because
ezingaka.
because that's what you guys are insinuating, and no way.
Thina sinsiweyithi siyakupressa.
No
Wena,
crazy. No crazy.
wena.
Mm-mm.
Une hard cash
I
uselile.
don't even have cash.
But you said you have hard cash, you
No.
have to deposit.
Oh, I said are you guys asking me cash or card? That's what I asked. I didn't say I have cash.
Okay, in Sweden. So asiqhubeke. Manje i-out yakho inangaki?
Hey, bo. I'm not 32.
Yo. Unangaki?
26.
26.
Why uthanda ubaba omdala kanje 32?
Ubaba omdala.
Hawu.
Ungisithi ubhuti. Nina yini laba elibiza ubaba
Okay.
bethu ngabodudi.
Hawu ndo.
Awuzothi umuntu ona 32 uthi akuthi ubaba omdala. Yini laba elibiza ubaba bethu dude. Come here.
I'm not respectful.
Okay, but ude ujolana nomuntu omdala kanje.
They saying frontal is shaking. Why? Because it's a fucking weave. Of course it's gonna come off. It's not my hair. Are you guys slow?
Mama.
Calm down.
When you join the live, just know that you're welcome into a life of being a public figure. So when you're a public figure, you don't care about what
You
people
guys
say. Huh?
You guys are public figures.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not a.
Yeah, but now you're in a live with public figures, so you're already a public figure. No, but mawuchujola nomuntu ona 32 uchaza ukuthini mama? Ninomntwana?
Because I'm 26 years old.
Ninomntwana?
No, I don't have a child. He doesn't have a child.
You sure?
Okay.
Hey, boy, you sure he doesn't have a child.
So besides money and sex, yini enye enhlanganisayo?
Who said he has money?
Angisho ngathi unemali. Ngithe besides money.
And who said like I'm not? Please.
Yeah?
Who said the sex is good? Let's start there. Because you're just concluding for yourself. So I'm asking, who said the sex?
Mama, yini
It's not.
akanamali akakubhebhi kahle.
I'm
But still not.
just asking. It's an ask.
You must ask.
No, somebody said that. No, somebody said that I said I'm 26 years old. Guys, I'm not dumb. One thing about me, I'm not dumb. I said I'm 26 years old.
So I'll take your blind.
Ubani, mina. No, you guys assumed that he has money. You guys assumed. You guys assumed that his sex game was on, and I did not say anything.
Okay, mama,
assume.
Lalel. So you insinuated that your boyfriend is not. Hey, yabona manje. Wena uthe
Shaba.
Mama.
Mamed. I'm not gonna answer any questions about my boyfriend, ne? But if there are people that are willing to say things about him, I will take it. It's okay. Ne? Mina, I'm not gonna dispute, I'm not gonna argue, I'm not gonna deny, I'm not gonna agree to anything that they say. If you say ukuthi akana mali, I'm going to agree. If you say ukuthi unemali, no, No, you
Hayi.
guys said that he has money. Then I asked you, ukuthi
Mama,
unayo.
mesithi phela mesithi asisho ukuthi like abe nama-billion sisiyasho ukuthi
Yes,
like uziphilela
I
impilo
get
yakhe
that.
right,
But
u-right,
does
uzirelaxele.
he really have the money? How do
Hayi
you guys?
lapho sekuwe-ke.
Mara somazi kanjani like we are just
Ngesimathi.
phela wena ulwa nathi.
Danko,
Wena
thank you.
uyalo wena.
Don't
Ulwela
fight with
nathi.
Thenga
us.
uvuka hlale usebenza ngokwe-enga ngemali
Wena unale enga wena.
waiting.
No.
Unale enga.
Eju
Unale
hape
enga wena.
barara barofu jo like
Wena.
wa attack. Awu ngidimetse batla wa gapa.
Oh, okay,
Yabo.
guys.
Sorry,
Wait, guys. A re sa botsa ka batho ba seteng mo.
What if ukhona la kule life?
He's not.
Yena akana phone futhi. Oh.
Akana phone.
Antoni jola njani unomuntu unganafoni
Yo,
naye
mina
anjodi mos.
ngitshela nespoki, guys.
Sawusitshela
Biza
mama.
ngesiboko. Manga uzokhuluma lento ekhulumayo ngajabule.
Yeah.
Okay, mamela ke insinuate. Can you breathe in,
Assumed.
out, in? Hlala kanjalo ufe. So mama.
Okay, guys.
Have
Wait. Ngiyacela ne. Can we talk about like fun things, ne? Like anything that you want to know about me, anything, ne? But let's just not talk about people that are not involved in this whole thing.
Okay.
Like you guys can ask
anything.
You ask me about anything, I will take it. You guys can say anything to me, I will take it. But if it's about people that are not,
okay, sharp.
I won't answer. Okay, if it's about anything, I can take anything. I can literally take anything. But if it's about umuntu ongekhoyo kwi-live, ngeke ngiyiphendule. No, angiseli.
Ugcina nini ngiyabani?
Angiseli, zange ngasela.
Ugcibele nini ukusela?
No, I don't sell her.
So you didn't sell today.
Tato, your face looks like you botched. Please. No, I don't sell her.
Okay, sharp again. Body count eating.
You can't ask those questions.
You said you want fun things.
Okay, can you wrap it off? Shaba.
You said anything.
Shaba. Okay, yeah, Shaba. Ask anything, but not that. Galo sula.
Ugcina nini ukubhebhana?
My birthday was on the.
Oh no. Khamselana
Khohlwe nepete yakho.
Yes, my birthday.
Khohlwe nepete yakho.
20 June.
So that was the last time you had. And how much did you make out of it?
How much did I
make?
No, I don't sell.
No, I
don't sell.
So it was your birthday, so
It
probably.
was a pete. Uthole malini ngepete yakho?
Why would I?
Uthole malini ngepete yakho?
Why umuntu amangakunikeza imali ukuthi ungidlile?
Yes, uthole malini ngepete yakho?
Guys, don't be disrespectful. Come on.
We asked how mara bafethu abantu ngepete bathole imali kanti.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Okay, abantu ngamapete bathole imali.
Guys, come on, really.
Abantu ngamapete bathole imali na.
Guys, come on, really.
Abathole imali.
Guys,
people don't get money.
Guys, well, please, come on, really.
Who get money on the pete?
You guys can literally anything, but if I told you guys from the beginning when you asked me that and I said that I do not sell bums and I kept on emphasizing that I am not poor, that's why I don't sell bums.
We never said you sell. Say we are seller now.
Nebo.
We are alcohol.
Utywala.
Yes. Kodwa ukhuluma ngani?
Yebo, utywala ndiyabusela kalokho.
Oh. So sibuze ukuthi ngebhedi yakho uthole
buza
malini?
lokho.
Ngithole malini njani bendithengisa ngebhede yami?
Hayi, ibhedi yakho. Kanti abantu kanti amabhedi abo uthola ama-present nemali.
Yebo, was I in stall or something? Did I have a stall on my birthday and I was selling something that I wasn't aware of?
Yeah. What are you talking about?
I'm asking.
Sithi abantu ngamabhedi wabo bathola imali nama-present nanginto. So siyabuza ukuthi wena uthola ngemalini ngebhedi yakho.
Andifumananga mali esana.
Oh, okay. Ma yini into enzima lapho?
Okay,
Wabe uhlule answer.
okay.
Okay, sure. Angina-flow.
Ewe.
Ngalento ayisafuna ukurequest. Kumele ngicalele live.
Mara namelulane nje.
Fine.
Noma sebathi kubambile.
Voice, eh? I like your voice. Your voice is so good.
What Chomi go so listen.
Eh?
Hey man. Ngiyabonga. Really.
You're welcome.
Hey, yazi ngilele la ngiphuphe enye intombazana ithi yasela. Uthini boy?
Guys, they're calling me ugogo abangani benu. Hi bo.
Abangani bethu like abekho right awazi kanti
No,
la siyadlala sizela
Siyadlala
uku-actor
asikho.
Mama lasa
Actor song. Sonke wonke umuntu olayo actor.
Nabo bu EQ abomkhulu EQ abathathi personal.
yabona
no, mina I don't take
mina bathi ngurakodu wayithi
especially
goluke
when you start comment, I do not take anything personal. I don't know them, they don't know me, so
wabona like
Exactly. Yeah, Antona, let me restart the live.
Enjoy.
Yeah, let's restart.
Makhulu vele. What do you mean I'm makhulu? Aibo.
Present.
Agrestado.
Okay, bye guys.
Yeah?
Vice guy.
We're starting the live.
Okay, vice guy.
No,
Okay, vice guy.
I made a mistake. I wanted to say, okay, guys, bye.
Uselile lo. Selile. Ha.
No, Shamdin, chocolate sana.
Okay, bye guy.
Chocolate. Okay, vice
It's
guy.
guy. It's guy.
It says guy.
Same time.
You guys are so stupid.
Yabona besigala wena kana usihleka sokulate mara wena.
No, guys,
Disappoint.
listen, I wasn't taking anything personal, honestly. I wasn't.
Assumed.
If I did,
Assumed. I also assumed so.
Bye guy.
Vice guy.
I like Vice guys.
Hey, vice guys. That one is not the one. Vice guys.
Guys, bye.
No, he said okay, vice guys.
La bora.
Neuskala bola ya toilet. Burklak sila.
I like it. Ka buy one. Literally.
So
Literally.
nini ngapha?
Ratas cool.
Tomorrow.
So uzokwazi ukuza.
Wait.
La uhlala khona.
No, I'm leaving Rustenburg tomorrow. Rustenburg is home. I stay in Joburg. I'm coming to Joburg tomorrow.
Really?
Okay.
Okay, guys. Buzz guy.
Vice guys.
Vice
Gonna
guys.
restart the live quick.
Listen to what your people are saying. They say I must never eat chocolate. Young dagisa. Guys. Aibo.
Guys, bye.
Guys, bye.
So
Bye.
it's 200 yami.
Lefuna.
Ngayeka imali.
Send me your account number.
Now.
Yes.
Chikusendele la ku comment section.
Wait.
And you must post the proof of payment, the POP that I sent it to you.
You're using what? FNP?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me give you my number for e-wallet.
No, not e-wallet. I wanted to your account.
Reflect. Ngifuna into engena manje.
No, immediate payment, babe. I do that.
Okay, let me cut.
But
Into end
if
live.
but if it's F&B to F&B, it's going to like reflect like so quick, like
No,
30 minutes.
But
yeah,
uthe wena une-cash kuphela.
I do have 150 though in my account.
Okay, guys. Ichingupi number yamne ye e-wallet ne.
So you must send it to my DM.
Now and you send a comment section. Nah, yeah, boy. You see it.
Where?
Screenshot it.
Can't you send it to my DM?
I'm a hustling boyfriend, mama.
No, because I
Screenshot
want
is
to do the copy and paste.
Okay, let me send it
You
to
can
DM now.
you can literally just screenshot and then go to pictures and then copy that
No, I
number
get
from the
that part.
screenshot.
I get that part, but I just
So
want the easy part with just pressing
it's still
copy,
easy.
then go to my app and paste. I
Okay,
just want that.
Let me send you now.
I'm tired of listening. Usisi, you guys can leave the
Yeah,
fucking
get
live.
allow pay me now. Yeah, send ne.
Okay.
But Shaba
Shower.
Yeah, boy.
Fit, shower.
Lawyer 3 years, guys, Google it. I mean, not Google it, guys. Check. Hori Lloyd's how many years now? Right now. Ising the computer what I don't know, the marketing what check Hori Lloyd's how many years.
Guys.
Don't come here and shit on my face. Doesn't come here and shit on my face. No, wait. They mustn't come here and shit on my face. They must just go and check how.
Guys. Au chachi ya tora restart already. Eh? Restart live. Right. Like katakawasani. Eh?
Le revolver mona chabile logile.
I was like, wait, when are you coming back?
The guy left Kausan after Martin killed the pan. Yeah.
Yes, medicines in Mele shift this card again.
Hey, fun. I'm a secret. Let's go.
Okay,
Except if it's follow the boys to see the boys and the boys go live again. Thank
Kor,
you.
take that tampan.
No.